My name is Dr. Keith Wharton. I'm the Medical Director of Body Logic Pittsburgh. The focus of the practice is anti-aging medicine and metabolic and regenerative medicine. My background is in obstetrics and gynecology, and primarily at my new practice of Body Logic MD in Pittsburgh, I see primarily women. They make up about 75% of my patients and 25% are men. And I'm able to help the men and the women both with hormonal balancing, and exercise and nutrition are very important as well. With some exercise and eating properly, the right kinds of foods in the right proportions, people can avoid high blood pressure, they can avoid diabetes, obesity. Roughly 30% of Americans are overweight or obese. And by focusing on nutrition and exercise, you can avoid that and all the sequelae, the obesity, the hypertension, the diabetes that comes later in life. As one gets older, the hormones that you have during your youth kind of fade and wane. And as a result, your overall health does diminish a little bit. So with replacing those hormones, people feel better, they're more energetic, and it actually helps prevent some of the chronic diseases. The focus is to balance all the hormones. And again, you have to integrate it with the other two tenets of Body Logic, which would be the nutrition and exercise. All three of those factors make for a healthy lifestyle. Body Logic has a nice approach. Body Logic physicians, we're all trained. We all have our degrees and our board certification through the usual medical colleges, and we go on from that point to get further trained. Specific modules in health related to hormonal balancing, nutrition, exercise, and a multitude of different topics. It really helps us to put a finish on our training, because in the first portion of our career we have the training in the illness-based medicine, and now we can finally move to the preventative segment of our practice.
I was feeling depressed, lethargic, anxious, couldn't sleep. The fatigue was, I would just sit there and do nothing. I'm was a very energetic, outgoing individual, and I became an introvert. And I did not like it. I did not like what was happening to me, and I knew that there was something more out there that I could find. I Googled and I found Body Logic MD. I initially went, and I really was a mess. And within, I'd say 6 months, I was practically back to my old self. Energized, looking forward to doing things. I'm at the point now where I'm going to be starting work again. And I'm really very happy about that. My quality of life has just went from 0 to 10. And I would highly recommend it.
If you'd like more information about my practice, just go to bodylogicmd.com on the internet and look under Pittsburgh, and you'll find me there. Thank you.